Luis Manzano admits going through now the relationship with girlfriend Angel Locsin, subsequent to reports that they allegedly break. Besides admits Luis that they are now going through the Angel, also told CBN TV host actor has to do with their feud since they reconciled to each other in February 2014. However, Luis refused to give details. According to a report by MJ Felipe Banner on Wednesday night, January 27, a source said on alleged organized by Luis and Angel their relationship, so do not provide confirmation that the young man had done their relationship. However, it's still expensive Luis Angel so they attend the premiere night of Everything About Her, a movie actress with the mother of Luis Batangas Governor Vilma Santos, on Tuesday, January 26. In a report that appeared in PEP on the morning of Wednesday, cited Crying Angel's taping Philippines Got Talent, which was one of the judges, while the host was Angel Luis. Seeing tears Angel Luis approached the actress and had a brief conversation the two men also akinakilig. Unbeknownst to many, the two facing turned caused the Angels crying.
Sa balay, lagis ng bahay, wala buhat sa tagan. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalupit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatami, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalamiya, pakwan, samot akong mataliksikan, makitan, yunuli, sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalamiya, pakwan, samot akong mataliksikan, makitan, yunuli, sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. Yan ang istorya, bigyan ako yaw o hinanggaw. Ibig ka man, yun na mo mga kalimutaw. Apan sa Jonathan naman ang wakyo na minaw. Kay gusto niya isang yaw ang kanyang hinanggaw. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalamiya, pakwan, samot akong mataliksikan, pakitan, yunuli, sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalamiya, pakwan, samot akong mataliksikan, pakitan, yunuli, sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. sa pakwan Dalaway pagyujiwan sa katamisa Ay pastilari mo yun ang tanang mga sa pakwan Dalaway pagyujiwan sa katamisa Pakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalamihan Pakwan, samot na kung matalik Sikan makitan Yudali sa puwang pakwan Puwang pakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalamihan